If you've been posting content across your social media platforms, right, but you've not been getting any traction or any engagement, you might be guilty of one of these mistakes. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the mistakes that new content creators make that might be keeping them from actually growing on social media and how to avoid those mistakes. All right, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. Number one mistake is posting without knowing who you are talking to. If you're a content creator and you don't know who your content is for, how do you expect them to find you? A lot of new creators post whatever, just expecting anyone to watch the content, and that's how random people just watch the content and you don't expect them to engage with the content. I've made this mistake long time ago. In fact, I've made the mistake for quite some time, and I had to learn this, right? So you need to know who you are talking to, who does your content refer to, what are their struggles, and how can your content help them in solving those problems. All right, so these are the questions you should ask yourself before posting the next video or the next content. Once you define your audience, your content will start attracting the right people. Those people, actually the people who love or care about what you have to say, and you will see them engage with the video or with the piece of content. Mistake number two is posting randomly and expecting to blow up. You cannot just post random things and not connect with your audience and then expect to randomly just blow up. Or maybe you're posting once a week, once in 2 weeks, or you just post whenever you are available. Your posts are random and your audience, viewers, don't know what to expect from you, so you would not expect them to hit the subscribe button. So what to do is pick a niche, all right? Create with intention so that people know what to expect when they see your videos. People will recognize you for something, right? Before you can now start posting random things. It's only when people have already recognized you for something that you become the niche. I had to learn this. People have to recognize you for something before you can now show different parts of your life. Okay, this and that. All right, so take note of this. I had to learn this. The next mistake is following a trend without a strategy. Trends can spike your views, right, temporarily, but if you follow them without strategy, right, those viewers are just going to disappear. They're not going to stick around because you were not strategic about it. You need to make trends work for you, not the other way around. Before you jump on any trend, ask yourself, does this fit my niche? Can I add a unique spin to it? Will my audience care about this? Ask yourself this kind of questions before you jump on a trend. The next mistake is trying the shortcuts to gain followers, right? All the follow train, follow me and follow you back. Oh, join this person, do the teamwork, follow everybody on this comment, do this. Doing all that might give you followers or subscribers temporarily, but the subscribers you're going to accumulate through this method are not going to care about your content. You want loyal audience, loyal subscribers, loyal followers that would engage with your content when you post them, right? You don't want people that were just filling the numbers but are not actually doing anything for you. All right, so you need to gain subscribers the right way or gain followers the right way. And how do you do that? By posting consistently, by connecting with your audience, by showing up and always making them know that you're always going to be there to solve their problems. Like give value and talk about things that they would care about, and you see people gravitate towards you, towards your channel or your page, and begin to engage with your content. That's how you build like a loyal following. And be authentic, be yourself. Another mistake I want to talk about is not being consistent. So if you're someone that don't show up every day, or like your audience don't know when next to expect your piece of content or whatever you're going to put out, it might hurt your channel, it might hurt your page. So you want to be consistent. Set a schedule that works for you. If you can post 3 times in a week, that's for YouTube, or for other platforms you want to post once every day or 2 times every day. Just pick a schedule that works for you and stick to it so that your audience will know when next to expect your content. And always deliver. Just always give value so that you keep them coming back for more. Okay, you want to be consistent and you want to give value. The next mistake is overthinking and not posting. See, perfectionism would keep you stuck. Perfectionism is another form of fear because it keeps you from not getting the particular job done. You keep editing the video, you keep retaking it, 10 takes, you're trying to get the perfect shot, while some other person has been posting every day, making their mistakes and learning along the way. So you don't want to keep doing one thing, like trying to get one particular video perfect. Just post the content and move to the next one. Even if it's not good, fine, move to the next one. Try to improve one thing per content, right? The next mistake I see is expecting instant results and giving up too soon. I see creators, you post just 5 videos and 10 videos, you're already feeling frustrated, you want to quit. You're thinking, why have I not gone viral? I'm supposed to have blown up by now. I get it. We have so much expectations, and because you're putting in the work, like, I've been doing this and doing that, I'm expecting to see result like ASAP, like everybody's supposed to be loving my content, right? So so it doesn't work that way. It takes time. Take yourself, for instance. You don't see someone for the first time and just follow them or subscribe to their channel. Sometimes you just have to listen to them like a couple of times before you now say, oh, I like this kind of content, I like this creator, and then you decide to subscribe to their channel because of the value you gain from their videos, right? So you want to do the same thing to your channel. Just keep putting out valuable content and the right audience will find you. It takes time, all right? So give yourself time, like give yourself 6 months before you start judging yourself, and always try to improve one video at a time. Don't try to be perfect every time. Always remember that done is better than perfect, right? So your first 50 to 100 videos are probably going to be bad, but just take it as a learning process and keep improving one video at a time. All right. Now that you've known the mistakes to avoid, it is time to take action. All right. Let me hear your thoughts on the comment section. I would love to hear them. Which of these mistakes have you made in the past, or which one did I not mention? Let me hear your thoughts on the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.